Subscribe to the channel Educate Sada and press the bell icon for the latest videos. Thank you.
We're studying the 9th standard geography. In that, the chapter number first, that is distributional map. As you know, in our previous lecture, we already discussed about there are three ways to show the variables in a map. The first way is a dot method, the second way is a chloropleth method, and the third one is a isopleth method. In that, we already discussed dot method, chloropleth method. Now we will going to discuss in this video, that is isopleth method. So class, what is dot method and what is the chloropleth method? When the data or the variables shown with the help of drawing the dots or the circles, then it is said to be a dot method. Now when the data or the variables shows by drawing the colors or setting the colors, okay, it is known as a chloropleth method. Now as like that, if the map is a prepare by drawing the lines, so such type of a maps is known as a आइसोप्लेथ मेथड. ओके क्लास, तो इफ़ यानी अगर जो डेटाज है और वेरिएबल जो होते हैं पर्टिकुलर रीजन के, दैट विल बी शोन विद द हेल्प ऑफ ड्राइंग द दिस टाइप ऑफ अ लाइन्स और by drawing this type of a lines, okay, so that type of a map is known as a isopleth method. I hope you understood the meaning of the isopleth method map. Okay, when the maps are prepared by with the help of drawing the lines, okay, then it is said to be a isopleth method. You have seen contour map and the isobar maps in our earlier classes. It means in your previous standard you already got the information about the contour map. Contour means such type of a lines, okay. So this type of a line is known as a contour line map, okay. Now in this map the distribution was shown with the help of the lines showing the equal values. I already said the distribution is shown in a particular region with the help of drawing the lines or the zigzag line you can able to see, okay, and the each lines have a same value, okay. It means each value shows the same value, each variable shows the same value. If suppose the temperature of this particular area, so here the temperature is a 10 degrees Celsius, so in that whole area the temperature is a 10 degrees Celsius, okay. It means in this particular region whatever rainfall, populations and the temperature and the altitudes of particular region that have a same value. Now when the distribution of a variable is continuous, the isopleth method is used to show the distribution, okay. When the variables are continuous means with the variable which cannot be stopped. For example, in the Amravati district, the density of the population, so population is one of the variable which cannot be stopped, okay. It continuously occur time to time, okay, यानी वो कभी भी स्टॉप होने वाला वेरिएबल नहीं है. पॉपुलेशन इंक्रीज होते रहता है, डे बाय डे डिक्रीज भी होते रहता है, तो यहाँ पर इट इज़ अ कंटिन्यूअस वेरिएबल. तो कंटिन्यूअस यानी टू शोज द कंटिन्यूअस वेरिएबल, then the isopleth methods map are used, okay class. So in that you can show apart from the population along with the population you can show the temperature of a particular regions, rainfall of the particular regions and the altitudes of the particular region. So it is one of the thematic map. For this map we need to obtain the accurate data regarding the altitude, temperature and the rainfall etc. of some places in a region. It means class, while we are going to prepare the isopleth methods map and in that the variables shown, that is altitude, temperature and the rainfall, so data regarding such variables should be accurate. It means correct or absolutely right hona chahiye, okay, and it should be correct always, because when we showing the temperature, okay, so we using the word that is 10 degrees Celsius, 20 degrees Celsius and it is exact data, okay. हम लोग ये exact data use करते हैं वहाँ पर, but in case of the population we are not using the exact यानी exact number, हम लोग exact number नहीं उसका बताते, हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं वहाँ पर अप्रोक्सीमेट बोलते हैं. यानी ऐसा अज्यूम करते कि इतना होगा. Why? Because it is not possible to give the accurate data regarding the population. फॉर एग्जाम्पल जैसे कि व्हेन वी आर गोइंग टू सर्वे ऑफ अ पॉपुलेशन, जब हम लोग सर्वे करने जाते हैं पॉपुलेशन का, तो सब में न्यू पे यानी लॉट्स ऑफ द इंफॉर्मेशन यानी हाइडिंग द इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द फैमिली मेम्बर्स. ये बहुत लोग क्या करते हैं, फैमिली मेम्बर्स के इन्फॉर्मेशन को हाइड कर लेते हैं. एंड इट इज वन ऑफ द रीजन. अनदर रीजन दैट इज द सम पीपल बिकम अ डाइड, इन कुछ लोग मर जाते हैं. सम पीपल बिकम अ न्यू बॉर्न, कुछ लोग नया जन्म ले लेते हैं. तो द वॉट एवर डेटा वी शोन इन अ मैप अबाउट द पॉपुलेशन दैट इज नॉट ऑलवेज करेक्ट, वो हमेशा करेक्ट नहीं होता. बट इन केस ऑफ द एल्टीट्यूड, ओके, टेम्परेचर एंड द रेनफॉल, द डेटा इज ऑलवेज करेक्ट बिकॉज इट इज ट्रैक्ड बाय द डिवाइसेस. वो कुछ डिवाइस से यूज किया जाता है इनको ट्रैक करने के लिए. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट इट इज ऑलवेज राइट, ओके, करेक्ट. And etc. some of the places in a regions, and it is assumed that the difference between the altitude and the rainfall of a two places change at a uniform rate. And it is assumed, ऐसा माना जाता है कि the differences if the यानी these variables become change, अगर ये variable change हो रहा है, altitude change हो रहा है या temperature change हो रहा है, rainfall change हो रहा है of a particular place, then it is change in all over the regions. यानी वो हर region का क्या हो जाएगा, change हो जाएगा, which is fall under the such line. वो जिस line में आता है तो उस लाइन के जितने भी एरियाज होंगे तो सब एरिया का टेम्परेचर क्या हो जाएगा, रेनफॉल क्या हो जाएगा, एल्टीट्यूड क्या हो जाएगा, डिक्रीज हो जाएगा, कम हो जाएगा. फॉर एग्जांपल कि यानी द रेनफॉल ऑफ इन अ पर्टिकुलर रीजन दैट इज 1300 मिलीमीटर, ओके. तो द रीजन विच इज फॉल अंडर द 1300 मिलीमीटर रेनफॉल, यानी ये वाला पूरा. तो इफ द रेनफॉल इज डिक्रीजेस फ्रॉम 1200, okay, यानी decreases from the 1300 to 1200, then all the regions, यहाँ के भी रीजन्स का, यहाँ के भी रीजन का, यहाँ के भी रीजन का, यहाँ के भी रीजन का, यहाँ का भी रीजन का, सबका जो यानी रेनफॉल है वो क्या हो जाएगा, कम हो जाएगा, यानी यूनिफॉर्म रेट से ही कम होगा. जितने यानी यहाँ पर 1300 से 1200 हुआ, इट मीन्स इन दिस पर्टिकुलर रीजन्स हैव ऑल्सो reduced by the 1300 to 1200, okay. it means 100 के रेट से चेंज हुआ है तो 100 के रेट से भी क्या हो जाएगा, चेंज हो जाएगा, यानी यूनिफॉर्म रेट से चेंज होता है. तो फॉर अदर एग्जांपल यू कैन टेक 1200, 1100, okay. तो the variables become change at a uniform rate in a particular regions. अनदर एग्जाम्पल यू कैन टेक, अगर आपको दूसरा एक एग्जाम्पल लेना है, सपोज रेनफॉल अगर मुंबई का पूरा पकड़ रहे हैं हम लोग, तो मुंबई CST में अगर रेनफॉल डिक्रीज हो रहा है, इट मीन्स भांडुप या फिर बोल सकते हैं हम लोग कि मुलुंड, यहाँ के भी रेनफॉल क्या हो जाएंगे, कम हो जाएंगे. सपोज द रेनफॉल डिक्रीजेज फ्रॉम 1000 to 900, okay, then the temperature यानी rainfall is also reduced in a Bhandup, Mulund, etc. which is fall in the under the Mumbai, जो मुंबई में पूरा आता है वहाँ का भी rainfall क्या हो जाएगा, डिक्रीज हो जाएगा from 1000 to 900, okay. I hope you clear the example now. The sub-administrative units are not taken into the consideration here. Statistical data belonging to the respective places, such data is known as a point related data. Whatever data you shown in a particular region, okay, so whatever data you shown in a particular region or a statistical data shown in a particular region that respected only to particular region, और यानी वो खाली उस particular region से ही related होता है, respected होता है, okay. Suppose the 1300 millimeter rainfall, so that gives the information about the lines fall यानी under the regions which is fall under this line, okay. 1300 millimeter के range में जितने भी areas आ रहे हैं, तो इन यानी this 1300 millimeter rainfall in give the information about only this particular area. क्योंकि अगर आप एरिया यानी लाइन चेंज करोगे then the data will become a change, तो डेटा भी क्या हो जाएगा, चेंज हो जाएगा. It means that line give the information about only the area, information about the area which is fall under them, यानी जो उसके अंदर आता है उसी के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन देते हैं, उसके स्टैटिस्टिकल डेटा के बारे में बताते हैं. So that it is called as a point related data, okay class. Now the values of the variables are written on the map at their respective location, okay. The values, it means here you can see the values of a rainfall, that is 1300 millimeter, 1300 millimeter, 1200 millimeter, okay, 1200 millimeter, 1100, okay, 1100 millimeter. So the values of the variables should be written or statistical data should be written on a map. ये मैप के ऊपर ही लिखे जाते हैं जैसे कि इसमें लिखा हुआ है, and the respective location at their respective location. Okay, so the area which is fall under this region or line, तो on them it is written, यानी उसी के ऊपर क्या होता है वो लिखा होता है, वहीं पे वो लोकेट किया जाता है, दिखाया जाता है. So you can understood from this map. Now the value of the variable are written on the map and their respective location. I already said if the data for more places is available, mapping of the distribution can be done more accurately. Okay, if the data for more places is available, if the data for the more places available, then the data should be more accurate. जितना डेटा आपके पास अवेलेबल होगा, इन्फॉर्मेशन अवेलेबल होगा for the particular variables or the particular location or the particular place, the data should be more correct. जाहिर सी बात है कि आपके पास जिसका ज़्यादा इन्फॉर्मेशन होगा डेफिनेटली वहाँ पर जो रॉन्ग होगा वो कम ही होगा. एंड मोस्टली एक्यूरेट डेटा शुड, यानी accurate map will be prepared, okay, by using the such data. If the data have more, the mapping is always accurate. And one of the basis of this information isoplate map are prepared using the step below by, yani while we are going to preparing the isoplate map, the sum of the information we need to obtain by considering the highest and the lowest value of the variable and the class interval to decide the draw the isoplate map method. Okay, so it means while we are going to preparing the isoplate methods map, then we need to consider the highest and the lowest value, of a particular region or the class interval. Okay class, so you can see here the population, any data regarding the population. When the population highest and the lowest value, it means the population density of a Amravati district. So highest or the lowest value is what? So the lowest value of a lowest density of the population is 100 and the highest density of the population is 400. And if we move upward, जैसे हम ऊपर जाते जाएंगे, line become a darker and the population density become a increase. Okay, so the lowest value in a particular regions, okay, so 101 to 200. So I hope you clear. So class interval should be a repeating class interval, यानी the data shown by the using a class interval. ऐसे class intervals के through आप क्या करते हो, उस data को दिखाना चाहिए. Okay class, and in that the highest and the lowest point will be taken into the consideration as like temperature and the altitude also. And the temperature, minimum temperature कितना है, maximum temperature कितना है particular regions का. So regarding that class interval has to prepare. Decided to draw the isoplate map in turns, decide to difference between the lines. Okay, difference between the lines, यानी how much differences in this line, 100 and 200 to उसके बाद 201 to 300. Okay, तो what यानी the differences between the each line have a same, यानी जो भी difference होगा इनके बीच का that should be a uniform or the same. So class interval like that. The lines are drawn. Now second, the lines are drawn for the desired interval. Locations with the same value are jointed by the line. Okay, the lines are drawn for the desired interval. The location which of the same value are jointed by the line. So same value has to be jointed by the lines. If you see in a map here, the lines is drawn to locate the particular places. वो particular place को particular region को locate करने के लिए जो line draw की गई है, तो each lines have the same value. उसकी जो value होनी चाहिए वो same होनी चाहिए. तो if you see in that map, तो 1300, okay, it represent the 1300 meter. Then the end point of the any lowest point of this line is also represent, or the other side of this line is also represent the 1300 millimeter. Okay class, so the lines is drawn from the desired interval. Location with the same value are jointed by the line. Same value is jointed with the line. As like that 1200. So it is located. It is also represented by the 1200. Okay. So the lines is locate the same value of a particular places. Now following the conclusions are drawn on a basis of the map prepared in a such a way. Now the first point is, if the lines are closer to each other, then the changes in a variable is steep, and if the lines are away from each other, than the it gentle. Okay, so steep and the gentle. The variable is a steep and the gentle means what? So when these lines come to the closer, okay, then the rainfall of a particular regions continuous any quickly change, वो quickly change होएगा, which cannot be able to identify quickly. But when the lines are away from the each other, जब वो एक दूसरे से दूर होगा तो then it is changes gently, यानी वो slowly change होगा, and you can easily identify the data or the variable of a particular regions. Okay, statistical data regarding the particular variable you can take easily, यानी आप आसानी से पता कर सकते हो. Get the ideas about the natural trends of the distribution of a variables with the help of this map. Okay, so by the isopleth method map we get the natural trends informations of a variable such as altitude, rainfall and the temperature. Okay, so such type of informations, okay, altitude, temperature and the rainfall, these are the natural trends, and such informations we get from the isopleth methods map. Okay class, I hope you clear all the answers related to the chloropleth method, dot method and the isopleth method. Here our chapter become end. Now we will continue the next chapter in a next video.